Everybody, welcome back to another awesome Iron Plays video. In Hayden City, we're playing Tornado IO Part 5. So let's get into it. Classic. Battle Royale. Yeah, I gotta get ready on this. I get eaten right away. There we go. Started out a little bad. Now I'm cruising. Go. No. Go. I won. Siege. Got enough all the way up there. Siege again. There we go. Let's try classic. This time it's working. Pretty good at this game. There we go. You out. There we go. Look at that. Eight kills. Yep. Look at that. Maybe it's only 4 minutes. 2 games. He's a little now. This map, it's good to get like the lolly plants first, or get an order for trees. Help you build up. No, I need somebody. I just got the same person. spawn on this map. Like 4 kills at there. Good thing for a start is to get away where from the main people are, and grow up on your own, and then go in where they are. Spend the first like 30 seconds away from everybody, trying to stay away from everybody. That helps a lot with everything. Go. There we go. I'm at max size. Multi-kill. Back to Battle Royale. Next video. Should be another Tornado IO. Will come out. Next video that come out is another Tornado IO. Yeah. And that here. Yeah. Go. Here, 0 kills. I control. I own a lot of the board, so I can do 0 kills. Oh. 5. Go. This one's the hardest one to get started on immediately. Now I'm building up. I believe this one is going to be the final one. Go. there's another elimination. Down here. There we go. So one. Yep. Guess that is about it for this video. See you in the next one. Goodbye.